Hi guys, welcome to channel. Today in this video we will talk about how to compress our file or any folder. As you know that to send a folder or a file through email address, we need to compress that file or folder into a compressed format. So it will be easy to send our file or folder through email address, and we can also make it a document and we can send through WhatsApp, and we can also upload on different websites our folders and the file which we have compressed. So let's start it with the folder we have on our desktop. Let's check the size of this folder. As you see there, the size of this folder is 161 MB. If you compress any folder or file, it can also minimize the size so that it will be helpful to send via email or WhatsApp or on any website. So there are some credentials through which we can manage the compression of any file or folder. First of all, we have to download the software. For that, we will go to Google Chrome. Let's open Google Chrome and type here WinRAR download. You see in here WinRAR download. Click on this, then go to the official link of winrar.com. Here on the first link, click on the link. The official website will open here, and you have some versions and architecture properties. If your system is a 64-bit, you can download here from WinRAR 7.0 English. It is the latest version. Click on this link. The download has been started here. Let's wait to download. Go to downloads here. Our download has been completed. Let's double click on this. It has been started to install. Click on yes, then click on install. The installation has been completed. Click OK and click done. So the compression of file or folder has been started here. As the folder is on desktop, I will show you how to compress the folder. So first of all, what we have to do is right click on this folder, and you have seen here add to archive. Click on add to archive, and there are some options in front of you in different windows. You have to select some of the setting here. If you want to rename your folder, you can rename your folder here photo.arr. Then if you want to make it zip, you can click add zip. If you want to make format as RAR, you can click on RAR. Compression method, you have their options. You have to select best, and you have also directory size. You can make it 128, and if you want to set password, click on here, and you have and also click on create solid archive. You can click here. There are some also options you have, but you cannot need to any different setting from here. Just let it as and click on OK. The compression has been started here. Let's wait for some time, and it has been done. Our folder has been compressed from this folder to this. Now you can check the size of this folder. Go to setting, go to right click and click on properties. The size of this folder is now 160 MB. So the size of folder has been decreased. You can click OK. The compression of file or folder has been done. If you want to send any image or any software through email address or through Google Drive, you can also convert the image or any software. So as we have an image, we will compress this to a compress format. Right click on the image, you have option add to archive, click on add. Let this, if you want to change the setting you can change, or you can let it as original, you can OK. The photo has been compressed from this to this. If you want to compress any software, you can right click on the software, add to archive, click on OK. The compression has been started. You can see here the image, its compression format, folder, and its compression format, and this software here, and the compression format of the software. You can compress any file, any folder, or any image to a compression format, and you can send through email, through Google Drive, or through WhatsApp, or you can upload to any website. So it is an easy way. Thank you for watching. Thank you very much.